Well, let's get started. Hola, it's me Didi, and welcome to another very special episode on my channel. We have a very special guest. Hola,
Me.
you. James is responsible for a lot of the makeup that I currently own because for my birthday last year, he gave me incredible makeup.
Yeah, I was sick of paint.
Because I do use my paint most of the time, so.
Yeah, but look at these. I gave him all these things from Fenty Beauty. Let's see. Not used. Literally not ever even touched. All this from Shiseido. Babe!
Used.
Look at the beauty. I hope you can focus in on this. Babe. This is like a person who puts a plastic cover over their couch. So you don't touch the expensive stuff.
I'm scared of it.
Look at this, bloggers. Look at this. Kim
So anyway.
and Rihanna, we are coming for you. Blick Paints will give you the night off.
This is how it's gonna go down. I'm going to put on my basic drag makeup face, and in that time, you are going to decide blush, eye, eyeshadow, lip, color of the brow.
And the song. Cookie Time from the movie True Beverly Hills.
Are you ready?
Woo!
Woohoo! Let's do it! Are you ready to show me what you've decided I'm going to put on my face today for my show?
Ooh! No lip, clean face, gold eyeballs,
Am I doing an eyebrow?
no eyebrow, and no lip. But leave space in case we need an eyebrow if it looks weird. So we're gonna use this Fenty Beauty,
The highlighter called Trophy Wife.
which has been used very minimally. Kim Kardashian West Beauty, which is just loose glitter. Gold, gold, gold everywhere. I even did a little test on my hand. Babe, look at that. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna do it myself.
Okay.
No way. Just kidding.
Get out of here! Let's do makeup.
Okay, good luck.
Okay, thank you.
What if you use your finger?
Okay.
Oh, babe, see, finger's good.
Fingering is good.
What about the other Kim Kardashian, the bronze color?
This one?
Dab a little on there and see what happens.
Okay. Just everywhere?
Yeah. Oh my criminy.
Moving on to the gold. I'm full of glitter. Woo! Copper to gold to white. Okay, we're trying out another color in the Kim Kardashian West glitter palette.
Before you do the mascara,
Okay.
one quick just dusting of the gold over top of everything.
Okay. With your favorite new brush.
Yeah. For the record,
James has
never did makeup before. Not for nobody, not no how. Let me see you.
It's terrible.
Okay, what if you do a red lip?
My wig is black. Am I allowed to use it? Do a black eyebrow?
Yeah.
This look has no eyeliner. This is so crazy.
But I love that under eye mascara.
Can I put a little bit of
Well, let's
eyeliner?
see what it looks like.
Wow, 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 wow.
Now those are some Minnie Mouse looking eyelashes. Wow, they cover up all my work.
And I don't even wear the biggest drag queen lashes.
No way.
Okay, should I use this Shiseido crayon
What?
to do the eyebrow?
Why?
Didn't you want me to do an eyebrow?
Yeah, but Why are you doing no paint?
Because you said no paint. Now you want paint? I broke him, we're doing paint. You want me to do no blush at all? Can I do some highlight? Or can I use a Fenty highlight?
That's why we can't have nice things. I mean, maybe a little blush wouldn't hurt.
Can I use this like orangey blush?
Babe, you can use whatever's gonna make my look the most beautiful in the photograph. More.
More?
Yeah.
Wow.
Actually, I think you should use the trick that my grandma used to use, which was she would put lipstick on her cheeks and then rub it in the same color. That way it would match. Cute.
Okay, I think we did it. Time to reveal.
Attention America. Without further ado, I would like to introduce... I wouldn't mind even more pink. You could do more pink. Oh, it's pretty like that.
Thank you for joining us in this video. I'm gonna fix some things for the show, but I kind of have to go. Oh God, the wig's gonna fall!
Subscribe below to follow me and my channel.
Follow me at Fuego for the completed look and on-stage performance highlight. Follow her on Instagram at Fuego. Thanks to Fenty Beauty. Thanks to Kim Kardashian West Beauty. Urban Decay.
Thank you, Kim.
Thank you to my man James for being a part of this video.
Okay, good luck tonight.
I have to go do a show now. I'm so late. Bye. Bye.
Bye, guys.